You've been looking around your home and you started to notice a couple of things that have you concerned about your home's foundation, and now you're beginning to fear either a home collapse or severe structural failure due to your home's foundation settling. The biggest question you're asking yourself right now is what happens if you decide to ignore these foundation problems and put off doing potential repairs. I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I am no stranger to this question at all. I have gotten it many times while out doing inspections for people. And a lot of people want to know, hey, what happens if you decide to ignore these potential signs showing up in your home? So to answer your question, if you decide to ignore foundation problems showing up in your house, it's really not the biggest deal. You can decide to wait and put them off till later, see what the home is doing, and just watch and wait. It's totally okay. Foundation problems develop very slowly over time. It's not just going to be like you're going to wake up one day and boom, home is going to collapse. That's not something we see when it comes to foundation settlement occurring in our area here in Central Texas, or it leading to severe structural problems. Typically, foundation settlement is going to lead to doors sticking, hard to open and close, cosmetic cracks and stuff showing up. That's going to be the big ones that are going to show up. The only time we would say that you might want to consider doing the repairs sooner rather than later would be if it's affecting, one, you have a lot of leaking HVAC. You're starting to try and cool all of Central Texas in our very hot summers, no fun. Or you have a door that's sticky or hard to open and it's a main door to the home, like your front door or your back door, the ones that involve security measures for your home. If you're seeing stuff like that, of course, you might want to do the repair sooner rather than later. But for the most part, it is okay to wait and ignore foundation problems until later. What should you do from here? Well, you probably got a couple decisions to make and whether you want to go ahead and pursue foundation repairs or not, if you want to sit back and wait and see how things transpire. To assist you in making those decisions, we're going to put a link down below in the description that is an article that discusses whether or not repairing your home's foundation is an emergency or if it's okay to wait for a while.